Do you ever feel that frustrating mental fog, that struggle to concentrate, that sense of your sharpness fading? What if I told you that regaining that laser like focus, that crystal clear thinking, isn't about expensive pills or endless brain games, but about something far more accessible, more natural, and incredibly delicious? Many believe declining cognitive function is inevitable, but that's simply not true. There's a profound, scientifically backed way to nourish your brain, to protect it, and even to help restore that precious gift of focus. Stay with me until the very end, because the final piece of this puzzle, the most powerful insight, will fundamentally change how you approach your brain health forever. You cannot afford to miss it. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the Nature's Plate channel and press the bell button so you don't miss anything new about what's healthy for you, and tell us about your experience with this in the comments so we can begin. Mind matters. Let's confront a pervasive, disheartening belief, the idea that a decline in mental focus and cognitive sharpness is an inevitable part of getting older. For too long, we've resigned ourselves to forgetting names, misplacing keys, struggling to follow complex conversations, and generally feeling less mentally agile than we once were. We've been told to expect it, to just accept it as a normal part of aging. But what if this narrative, this passive acceptance, is fundamentally incorrect? What if our brains, like the rest of our bodies, possess an incredible inherent capacity for resilience and repair that we've simply forgotten how to harness? The truth is, your brain is an extraordinary organ, incredibly dynamic and constantly adapting. It's the command center for everything you do, think, and feel. But just like any high-performance engine, it requires the right kind of fuel, the right kind of protection, and the right kind of maintenance to function at its peak. When we deprive it of these essential elements or subject it to constant stress and damage, its incredible capabilities begin to wane. And that's when we start to notice the frustrating decline in focus, memory, and overall mental clarity. Think about the intricate network of billions of neurons in your brain, constantly firing, constantly communicating. This communication is what allows you to think, to learn, to remember, and crucially, to focus. This entire process is incredibly energy intensive and highly susceptible to inflammation and oxidative stress, which are essentially cellular rust and fire. When this rust and fire build up, it damages those delicate neural connections, leading to impaired cognitive function, making it harder to concentrate, process information, and maintain sustained attention. What if we could equip our brains with an internal shield, a natural defense mechanism that actively combats this inflammation and oxidative stress, that nourishes those delicate brain cells and even stimulates their repair and regeneration? This isn't science fiction, it's the fundamental principle of what I want to share with you today. It's about tapping into the power of specific foods that are rich in compounds uniquely designed to protect and enhance your brain, providing your mind with the biological armor it needs to thrive, even as the years progress. This approach isn't about replacing conventional medical care, it's about empowering you to take a proactive role in your brain health, to create an internal environment where your mind can perform at its best. It's about understanding that food isn't just sustenance. It's powerful information, genetic instructions, and protective molecules all rolled into one. By choosing the right foods, you're sending clear signals to your brain, telling it to prioritize repair, to reduce inflammation, and to build stronger, more resilient neural networks. This is about brain regeneration from the inside out. Green Guardians. Let's dive into the first category of incredible brain-boosting vegetables, the leafy greens. I'm talking about the powerhouses like spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard. These aren't just good for your general well-being, they are specifically engineered by nature to protect and enhance your cognitive function in ways that are truly remarkable and scientifically proven. They are quite literally brain food, packed with compounds that directly support sharper focus and mental clarity. The secret weapon within these greens lies in a few incredible compounds. First, there's vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in brain health by supporting the synthesis of sphingolipids, a type of fat that's abundant in brain cells. Healthy sphingolipids are essential for optimal neuron structure and function, directly impacting how well your brain cells communicate. Think of it as ensuring the wiring in your brain remains pristine and efficient, allowing for faster, clearer thought processes and improved focus. Next, we have lutein, a powerful carotenoid that you might recognize from its benefits for eye health. But lutein also accumulates in the brain, particularly in areas associated with learning and memory. Research indicates that higher levels of lutein in the brain are linked to better cognitive function, including improved executive function, which encompasses planning, problem solving, and crucially, focus. It helps to filter harmful blue light and reduce oxidative stress, acting as a protective shield for your delicate brain cells. And let's not forget the folate found abundantly in these greens. Folate is a B vitamin that is essential for neurological function. It plays a key role in the production of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which regulate mood, sleep, and attention. Sufficient folate levels are critical for preventing cognitive decline and maintaining sharp focus, as it helps in healthy brain cell development and repair. A deficiency can lead to brain fog and reduced mental energy, making it harder to concentrate. Finally, leafy greens are rich in various antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Chronic inflammation in the brain, often called neuroinflammation, is a major contributor to cognitive decline in conditions like Alzheimer's disease. These powerful compounds actively combat this inflammation, creating a calmer, healthier environment for your brain cells to thrive. By regularly consuming these green guardians, you are building a resilient, clear-thinking brain, ready to tackle any mental challenge. Crossroads crucial. Now, let's explore another incredible group of vegetables that hold immense power for boosting your mental focus, the cruciferous vegetables. I'm talking about broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. These aren't just crunchy and versatile additions to your meals. They are loaded with unique compounds that directly target brain health, helping to sharpen your attention, improve memory, and enhance overall cognitive function, especially as we advance in years. The key players in cruciferous vegetables are compounds like glucosinolates, which your body converts into isothiocyanates. These are powerful detoxifiers and anti-inflammatory agents. They help your body, and particularly your brain, clear out toxins and reduce cellular damage. Think of it as giving your brain a deep clean, allowing its intricate machinery to run more smoothly and efficiently, leading to improved clarity and sustained focus. A clean brain is a focused brain. One particularly noteworthy compound found in broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables is sulforaphane. This incredible molecule has been extensively researched for its neuroprotective properties. It activates pathways that protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, two of the biggest enemies of cognitive function. Sulforaphane also supports the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, often called brain fertilizer, which promotes the growth of new brain cells and strengthens existing connections, directly enhancing your ability to learn and focus. Furthermore, cruciferous vegetables are excellent sources of choline, an essential nutrient that is a precursor to acetylcholine, a crucial neurotransmitter involved in memory, learning, and attention. Healthy levels of acetylcholine are vital for maintaining sharp focus and cognitive speed. As we age, acetylcholine levels can decline, contributing to mental fogginess. By regularly consuming choline-rich foods like Brussels sprouts and cauliflower, you're providing your brain with the building blocks it needs to keep those cognitive pathways firing strong. And let's not overlook the diverse array of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that these vegetables bring to the table. From vitamin C for antioxidant protection to B vitamins that support nerve function, these vegetables offer a comprehensive suite of nutrients that work synergistically to create an optimal environment for brain health. By making cruciferous vegetables a regular part of your diet, you're making a profound investment in your mental clarity, your ability to focus, and your overall cognitive resilience day in and day out. Rooted brilliance. Finally, let's turn our attention to the vibrant, earthy power of certain root vegetables that are surprisingly potent for enhancing mental focus. I'm specifically highlighting beets and carrots in this category, two humble vegetables that often get overlooked in discussions about brain health, but possess truly remarkable, scientifically backed properties that can help sharpen your mind, improve your cognitive speed, and enhance your ability to concentrate, especially for those over 60. Let's start with beets. Their deep, rich color, comes from betalains, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the brain. But the real magic for focus comes from their high content of nitrates. When you consume nitrates from beets, your body converts them into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, meaning it helps to relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow. This is absolutely critical for your brain. Think about it. Your brain is incredibly demanding, requiring a constant and robust supply of oxygen and nutrients delivered via blood. When blood flow to the brain is optimized, it functions more efficiently, leading to improved cognitive performance, faster reaction times, and most importantly for our discussion, enhanced focus and attention. By consistently providing your brain with this increased blood flow through foods like beets, you're essentially ensuring that every neuron has the fuel it needs to fire with precision. Then there are carrots, long celebrated for their benefits to eye health, but also incredibly valuable for your brain. Their vibrant orange hue comes from beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that, as we discussed earlier, is a precursor to vitamin A. Beyond its role in vision, beta-carotene also acts as a neuroprotectant, shielding brain cells from oxidative stress and damage. A healthy, protected brain is a brain that can focus more clearly and sustain attention for longer periods. Carrots also provide a good source of fiber, which supports gut health. This might seem unrelated to focus, but there's a profound connection between your gut and your brain, often called the gut-brain axis. A healthy gut microbiome influences neurotransmitter production and reduces systemic inflammation, both of which have direct impacts on cognitive function and mental clarity. So, by nourishing your gut with fiber-rich foods like carrots, you're indirectly, yet powerfully, boosting your brain's ability to focus. The consistent inclusion of these rooted powerhouses, beets and carrots, provides a unique and essential combination of benefits: improved blood flow, robust antioxidant protection, and support for the crucial gut-brain connection. By integrating them into your diet, you're not just eating well, you're strategically feeding your brain exactly what it needs to maintain its sharpness, to enhance your focus, and to ensure your mental agility continues to thrive as you embrace every year with confidence. Clarity unlocked. What we've uncovered today is far more than just a list of healthy foods. It's a profound understanding that the clarity of your mind, your ability to focus, and your overall cognitive vitality are not predetermined by age alone. You possess an incredible inherent capacity to influence and enhance your brain health, to protect it from the ravages of time and environmental stressors, and even to help restore that mental sharpness you might have thought was a distant memory. This isn't about fleeting trends. It's about intelligent, consistent nourishment that yields lifelong dividends. The simple, yet extraordinarily powerful strategy I urge you to embrace is this: make a conscious, daily effort to regularly include these 7 categories of vegetables: leafy greens, spinach, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and root vegetables, beets, carrots, in your meals. Aim for variety, embrace the diverse colors, and understand that with every bite, you are providing your brain with an intricate symphony of bioactive compounds that work synergistically to protect, repair, and optimize your mental focus. This is your personal blueprint for lifelong cognitive brilliance. Imagine waking up each morning with a refreshed mind, ready to tackle your day's tasks with laser-like focus. Imagine being able to engage in conversations with crystal clarity, to recall details effortlessly, and to experience a sustained mental energy that allows you to pursue your passions with renewed vigor. This level of cognitive sharpness isn't just about avoiding decline. It's about experiencing life with a richness and depth that only a truly well-nourished brain can provide. It's about maintaining your independence, your joy, and your active engagement with the world around you. This isn't about drastic, restrictive diets or complicated supplements. This is about establishing a sustainable, enjoyable lifestyle that fundamentally supports the intricate biology of your brain. It's about understanding that your body is designed for health and resilience, and when given the right tools, the right foods, it has an astonishing capacity to heal, to protect, and to thrive. By making these informed choices, you are not just eating, you are actively engaging in the process of brain restoration and protection, unlocking your full cognitive potential. The most powerful insight, the one that truly matters, is this: you hold an immense power to influence your own brain health destiny. Your fork is arguably the most potent tool you possess. Every meal is an opportunity to send healing, protective signals to your brain. Embrace the vibrant, life-affirming power of these vegetables and watch as your mind, quite literally, becomes clearer, sharper, and more brilliant. Your focus is a gift. Nourish it, protect it, and reclaim its full potential, living every day with unparalleled mental clarity.